morning, guys. Hope you all are doing well. This morning is January 22nd of our devotional, and it is Access to the Throne Room. Luke chapter 24, verses 50 and 51. Jesus led them to Bethany, and lifting his hands to heaven, he blessed them. While he was blessing them, he left them and was taken up to heaven. John chapter 16, verse 7. Very, very truly, I tell you, it is for your good that I am going away. Unless I go away, the advocate will not come to you. But if I go, I will send him to you. John chapter 14, verse 28. You have heard me say to you, I am going away and coming back to you. If you love me, you would rejoice because I said I am going to the Father, for my Father is greater than I. Acts chapter 1, verses 10 and 11. While they looked steadfastly toward heaven as he went up, behold, two men stood by them in white apparel, who also said, Men of Galilee, why do you stand gazing up into heaven? This same Jesus who was taken up from you into heaven will also come in like manner as you saw him go into heaven. Ephesians chapter 4, verse 7 and 8. To each one of us, grace has been given as Christ portioned it. This is why it says, when he ascends on high, he took many captives and gave gifts to his people. And at the bottom it says, when Jesus felt forsaken at Calvary, it sent shockwaves through the world. 40 days after his resurrection, the clouds were assembling, not to give rain or to bring a storm, but to proclaim that the Father and Son will never be separated again. Jesus ascended into heaven and now sits on the right hand of the Father, the King of all kings. From there, he whispers your name and your needs into the Father's ear. Ascension brings the throne room into your heart. And that's our devotional for today. As always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Nobody sees my videos unless you subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. Links in the description. And if you do join, send me a message. Let me know you come from YouTube. And I love you guys. And I will try to do another video on Jonah today. If not, it'll be tomorrow. But either today or tomorrow, another video about Jonah will go out. But I love you guys. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye, guys.